It is a rare chance that I am home when Lincoln is ready to go to school. So today, since I am home, I am going to take the time to make him a grilled cheese sandwich on Granny Sycamore bread, because it's the best, with some smoked Gouda cheese. Hopefully he likes it. A little bit of butter. The jelly is compliments the kids. We just won't talk about that. And here we go.
Why do you use this cheese?
Because it's called smoked Gouda. Smell it. Smell like Hickory Farms. It's gonna taste like heaven, so you'll enjoy it, I promise. Yeah, I bet you will.
I'm Disney, honey.
Okay, you can finish it. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh, that's Gouda. Good cheese joke. Is it pretty good? You like it? I can have a bite? I can try?
And some of this.
What's that stuff?
Stuff that makes your hair smell good.
Yeah, definitely. Sharp, and you smell good.
Daddy, we got a surprise!
Cody, Dad. We got like a package in the mail. Mom said it's a surprise for all of us.
What is it?
But she's gonna bring it down. It's for you.
No, you're all. It's for us. It's for us and Dad. What is
The
it?
kids are so mad and disappointed that this box, I said, oh, it's a surprise. Little gremlins thought it was a surprise for them. They're so disappointed.
Can I look?
Yes, it's for Dad's birthday.
Dad's birthday?
You got to read the card. No, Dad's birthday is this weekend.
Gold Billy, happy birthday, Joel Gregory. We love you so much. Oh, Ellie and Jared sent that.
Yeah, and the whole box smells delish. So I'm wondering what the heck this is. First, can I preface before Joel opens this? Joel woke up this morning and was like, we both got up and worked out, we both got showered, and then we both got back in bed, and Joel was like, Bonnie, I cannot go work at the house today. He's like, my body will not let me. And I was like, good, because my body isn't gonna let me do anything. So the kids all went to school, and as an early birthday present to Joel,
My boss gave me the day off.
we got to take a shower while the kids were at school, and it was glorious, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Feel this, it's an ice pack.
That is a nice.
This is such a dad birthday. He went and got all new underwear.
Sounds like a great birthday to me.
It was a great birthday.
Ice pack and I'm gonna use.
Cody, you look like he's so disappointed. Cody, on your birthday, Dad doesn't make that face to you.
Ooh.
Can we have some?
That is so fun.
A cookie!
Hey.
Huge cookie!
Wow.
Look at these little
Mom,
things.
can
What
we
are
have
these?
one?
Yeah, we'll figure this whole thing out.
Dad!
Oh,
Look at this!
oh, dear heavens. That real fast here. Here,
Did you open it for you? Oh, he's smiling. Oh. Oh, it's soft. Once you got past the little crust, it was
looks like
soft.
toffee. It looks yummy.
Yeah.
It's cold!
Ooh. Okay, that's that, Daddy.
What is this?
Okay, that's really cute.
Thanks,
Cake
Ellie and
Monkey
Jared.
Sampler. This must be a fun place that they have up in St. George or something.
Down in St. George, sweetheart.
Down in St. George.
Yowza, this is fun.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Baklava. Look at that. It's like a different version of baklava.
Really?
Should we open up one of these little
That looks
tinfoil guys?
really good. Look at that one, Joel.
Oh, there's another tinfoil one.
Okay, wait. Let's just open up one.
It's a Twinkie. This is a Twinkie.
Look, it's like a ding dong.
Yeah,
Look
these
at,
are
I
the
was just gonna say, look at that, Joel.
Ooh, you can have that.
No, that looks right up your alley is what I was gonna say. I'm not eating this.
Bye, Dad.
Oh, okay, well,
Wait,
I feel so bad Olivia's not here.
We will save her some.
Twinkie!
She doesn't get out of school until after the boys.
Dad, look! A Twinkie!
The boys just got home from school.
Don't bite the aluminum. Don't bite the aluminum. That's going to be a bad day.
Joel, happy early birthday. A nap and a treat? What more could you ask for?
Nap?
We got a nap this morning.
Yeah, we did.
Mine was a little longer than yours. It's not my fault that you couldn't nap.
Open this and it's a
I actually had the best little day. I
roll.
wanted
We should save this for
to get up and spend the day with him.
Dad, we
You
should
did.
save
And it
this
was just fun. Honestly, it was just like fun to just sit and watch him.
Dad, can you open this?
Can I open
And
it?
when he went to school, we took our nap.
Mm-hmm.
It was great.
Can I open this?
You can open it for me? No. No.
This is pretty entertaining watching you guys devour this.
Yes.
I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, okay, Mr. Smiles now.
Let's see what this guy is. This looks funky. I don't want to get... Lady, come here. Come
Lady will
close.
clean it up.
Get her.
She's like, oh, this, I think it's like
Oh,
a
Dad,
ho-ho
I'll
or
open it
whatever.
for you.
I want to try, hold on. These look really good.
Oh.
Look. It's an Oreo.
Oh my goodness.
You
Is
all right?
are we all okay?
We're broken. Okay. I don't want to go crazy till Olivia
That one
gets
looks
home.
really
Yeah.
good. Well, you know what? If you guys open another one, save a bite for her.
Is that a macaroon?
Yeah, something like
we'll
that.
finish this one, guys, and then
Ooh,
we'll
that
save
does
the
look
rest and we'll share
delicious.
with Olivia.
This is a good gift idea. That's
Yeah,
really
it's super
fun.
fun.
Like a sampler box of a nice, fun treat place. Ladies,
Oh, eat.
leave a bite for Olivia in that bag.
No, I was going to let her have one of the other cookies.
Oh, okay. You
I
choose
figured
which
we'd
one.
finish this one together. There we go. Isn't that fun?
This is the first clip with the new camera. What do you think? How are we feeling? Feels good.
Don't drop it.
I have my shoes on. Whoa!
Don't drop it.
Everyone get there. Oh, I guess Lincoln's not coming with us.
Go get your shoes on, hurry.
We just picked Olivia up from play practice.
I just comb my hair because I don't want it to be tangled.
Okay, the blur, oh, the autofocus is so slow. It drives me crazy. Guys, if you have any recommendations for a new camera, please tell us, because I genuinely don't like the Mark II.
Because I have my blue shoes.
Like, look at what, do you see? It's so slow.
I've heard the Mark III's not great either.
I don't want this, I don't want a Canon G7, whatever. I don't want it anymore.
You don't?
Mom,
But I don't know a better one.
You are not coming with.
Yeah, has she gone potty? We decided, Joel and I,
come.
as a couple, I did the dishes, and then I didn't want to get the kitchen dirty again. And we are gonna be gone for the weekend, and we wanted to spend the evening with the kids, and I thought, you know, let's just go to dinner.
maybe after we'll come home and spend today with family.
That's what we're gonna do. All right, let's go.
Find my coat.
It was in the dryer.
It's soaking wet. Let's find a jacket for you just for right
Okay.
now.
All right, so we're gonna close the vlog here.
I could probably.
Let's go.